Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss direction cosines and direction ratios problem. Find the angle between two diagonals of a cube. This we are going to discuss, which is very important for 7 marks. Find the angle between two diagonals of a cube, any two diagonals. See here, first you have to consider the cube figure. This is the cube equation, cube figure. So here, let O be the one of the vertices of a cube. Let O be the one of the vertices of a cube, and it is taken as origin. We know that the coordinates of origin are 0, 0, 0. No need to write here. I will mention there. This is the first point. After that, this I am taking as A, this I am taking as B, this I am taking as C point. So these points are just expand like this, even here also expand like this. Like this way you can expand. OA, OB, OC, which are coterminous edges. So here OA, OB, OC are coterminous edges of a cube, and we are assuming that whose lengths, and let OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to 1 unit. I am taking as 1 unit. No. After taking of these values, these OA, OB, OC, by observing the figure, we are considering as a coordinate axis. OA, OB, OC are coterminous edges, even this step you can include here also, coterminous edges of a cube as coordinate axis, So after that, OA value, OB value, OC value, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, 1 unit we are taking. 1 unit. We are assuming that. After that, one more important point. They are asking to calculate the angle between two diagonals of a cube. First, we will find out what are the diagonals. See here, points also, vertices also we need to write it. The vertices. The coordinates of vertices, the coordinates of its vertices are first origin 0, 0, 0. Next, A point, observe the figure, A point which lies on x-axis. On x-axis, this is x, this is y, this is z axis. On x coordinate, x will be there and y axis will be 0. So the coordinates of A will becomes 1 0 0. Sir, why sir you are writing 1 0 0? I already taken one OA value is what 1. So from here to here it is 1 unit, means the point A is 1 comma 0 comma 0. Similarly, OB we can write it as, that means B point 0 comma 1 comma 1, only y axis. C point lies on z axis. C coordinates will become 0 0 1. After that, this point is D, this point is E, this point is F I am taking, and this point I am taking as point P. We observe that D, E, F. So D point, observe that D point which is belongs to XY plane. The point which belongs to XY plane, Z coordinate will be absent. So these coordinates will becomes X will be there, Y will be there, Z is absent. So 1 1 0. Similarly, E point which belongs to XZ plane. Whenever the point is belongs to XZ plane, Y is absent here. So the coordinates of E will becomes, Y will be absent now. So 1 0 and 1. And F which belongs to YZ plane, X is absent. So 0 1 1. And last one P belongs to, which is in the space. So it is belongs to X axis, Y axis, Z axis. So the coordinates of P will becomes 1 1 1. 1 comma 1 comma 1. Like this you have to write the coordinates of the vertices of a cube. After that we decide where the diagonals are there. The diagonals of a cube here I am going to mention. The diagonals of a cube. The diagonals of a cube. I am mentioning with blue pen. Or first one is OP is one diagonal. Next B is another diagonal. And AF is another diagonal. CD is also another diagonal. These are the diagonals. I am representing with blue mark pen. So here I am writing OP, next BE, next CD and AF. These are the diagonals. But they are asking angle between two diagonals. Any two diagonals you have to choose. So I am considering OB diagonal and BE diagonal. So to calculate angle between the two diagonals, we need to calculate direction ratios of two diagonals. So I am considering OB diagonal. The direction ratios, the DRs, DRs means direction ratios of OB diagonal. OP means P point minus O point. What is P point? 1 1 1. O point is 0 0 0. So we can write as 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. So 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 means 1 comma 1 comma 1, which are denoted by A1, B1, C1. The direction ratios of first diagonal. Second diagonal I am taking the direction ratios of, which diagonal I am taking? OP and BE we are taking. So BE diagonal. BE means E point minus B point. What is E point here? E point is 1. 1 minus E minus B. E minus B. 1 minus 0. 0 minus 1. So 1 minus 0. So it will becomes 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So second direction ratios A2, B2, C2. Let theta be the angle between OP and BE diagonals. Then cos theta equal to formula mod A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2 divided by square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So now the respective values substitute. 1 into 1, 1 into minus 1, 1 into 1 divided by root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 1 square. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So 1 by square root of 3 into square root of 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, conclusion step. Cos theta equal to 1 by 3. That implies theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3. Lost. Therefore, the angle between the two diagonals of a cube is theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3. Hence the result. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Those who are watching first time my channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all.